Welcome to another episode of Floating Along. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Darren.
Navigating life on the water full-time in our 62-foot boat, Soraya. Come along for the ride as we share our adventures and misadventures with you on the UK inland waterways. So, the predicament we have here is the bridge just through there might be a bit too low for us, so do everything we can to try and get through. So we're leveling our solar panels because they don't sit any higher than the roof box, but yeah, it's going to be interesting whether we can get under. So I'm not going to film that, but we'll see. So now that some of the water from the pound has come into the lock, it looks slightly lower, so fingers crossed we'll be able to get through, but very gingerly. Wish me luck. This is how close it was. That was low. That one's got bent arms, beams. So whilst we were at Fradley, we were treated to this little bonus. So apparently it was the annual Rotary Club doing their fundraiser. So what a lovely sight. Tractors old and new. Really friendly bunch of young farmers, waving as they passed as well. So yes, Darren was able to recognise a few of the tractors, one of which was his first tractor.
Oh, nice. That's nice.
Which apparently was a Massey Ferguson 135, which he actually learnt to drive on. There we have it, folks. Also, whilst at Fradley, between Christmas and New Year, we took the opportunity to do a little bit of trading as well. So we're still finding our feet with how to display things with the space that we've got. But yes, it was lovely to speak to so many nice people, and we sold a couple of little bits as well. Being moored right next to Fradley Mall, Fradley Pool even, we made the most of it and had several nice little walks around the lake. Although the mist didn't lift for the few days that we were there, I'm sure it's absolutely stunning in the spring and summer, with a wealth of wildlife and feathered friends and all sorts. So definitely worth a visit. And just look at this little show off. What a beauty. A last minute walk around while we fill up with water before heading on. So here you can see the crane that was used years ago to lift goods off boats onto land and vice versa. Still here today. And over here in this building, apparently they used to make lock gates. You can see they're still used for something now, but probably offices. Oh no, there's definitely a workshop in there. A plaque at the door. So there you have Fradley Junction. They do sell nice fish finger butties in this cafe here. The Mr. de-rosa should be about finished with the water. already heading in that direction. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed those few snippets, sharing our journey with you as we continually cruise the UK waterways. Please click like or subscribe. It really does help the channel and it is completely free. We hope to see you again soon as you come along with us, seeing what fun and antics we get up to next. Bye for now.